Hey guys, I got my little basketball hoop. It's easy to make, so I'm going to show you how. So you'll need an A4 paper and fold. Fold it like this. Then do the other side. It's okay if you don't fold it correctly. Okay, next you have to open the flap. Then turn the paper over. Then just do the thing that I am going to do. Do it like this. Then fold it in. Okay? Do it like this. So it makes that shape. So paper should now look like this. Now put this here and put it in this hole. Should be like this. Going inside. Okay guys? I'll see you when I do. Your paper should now look like this. Now fold these sides in like that. And do the same with the other side too. Now your paper should look like this. Unfold these. Turn around. Unfold these. And the other one. Then you cut it and stand up. Wait a second. Okay, now that's how it would look. Now I'm going to show you how to do the ball. Get a piece of paper and cut a square like that. So like that. Cut that part. Okay, guys. Now just squish it. Try to make a circle. Like us until I make my ball. Okay guys, this is my little ball. I'm going to shoot it in. I can't do this with my left hand, so I'm going to switch it. So I'm going to change it. So okay, now I made a loop. So that's how you make a basketball hoop and ball. See you guys later, and bye!